Hello family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to let you know, in case you have not noticed, that I now have 2,000 subscribers. Wait, before we go on, let me pour my cup of champagne. Why are you saying it's not champagne? Is it because I'm pouring it in your presence? What if I come and I tell you it's champagne? Are you going to know? To 2,000 subscribers. Cheers. To 2,000 subscribers. And if you're one of those people that do not have faith, that don't understand, or does not believe that this is actual champagne, it's just because you saw me pour it. If there's anything I want you to take out of this video, one lesson I want you to learn is, do not copy anybody's life, especially on social media, because you don't know what it is behind the scene. You don't know what they go through behind the scene. It is just what we show you, and that is what you're going to believe. As much as I try to be 100% sincere with you, I can only show you a 10-minute video of my life. You don't know what I go through behind the scene. You don't know what any other person go through. So I just want to encourage you before we go in to say, do not envy anybody's life, especially the ones you see on social media. The life you have today, somebody is aspiring to get there. Somebody will do anything to get what you have. So that is the lesson for today. So back to the topic. Yes, guys, we did it. We did it. 2,000 subscribers. Do you think it's easy? I remember how I started YouTube with zero idea, with zero subscribers, zero view. The only thing I had were information, which I know I was ready to give no matter what it cost. I was ready to give that information out, because when I was trying to apply to come to the UK, even when I was going to Dubai, I had little or no information. Back then in 2016, 2017, when I started considering coming to the UK, there were just few people who were doing YouTube videos. And I remember it was only one person that I was following, who I know was already a YouTuber there, and that it was only that person's video I relied on everything I need to do to get to the UK. So I made up my mind that once I get to the country and I know all this information, I am going to be a YouTuber, or I'm going to look for a means, one way or the other, to pass the information to people, because it is free of charge. Of course, you don't need to pay to get this information. And I just think it will be so helpful if I'm able to pass this information to people. And you don't know how happy I feel. You don't know how excited, how fulfilled I feel when I get messages from you saying, Gloria, your video was helpful. Some will say your relocation video was helpful. Some will say your advice video was helpful. And I'm in the UK now. Do you know how it feels? No, just put yourself in my shoe. Do you know how fulfilling, do you know how satisfying it feels for someone to say you have helped them one way or the other, no matter how little, even when you don't know it? That is the reason I'm so excited. I don't want this video to be too long, because I just want to show my appreciation to you. Thank you for all your subscriptions. Thank you for all your love. You're putting up with all my bad quality, especially when we started. Some of you have stuck around. You've been there since the day we started. What I had there was just my phone, very bad lighting, bad quality. The only thing I knew I had that was very important was my message. And it has brought me this far, and I want to say thank you. To you, it may be nothing, but to me, it is everything. Having 2,000 people who are ready to listen to your nonsense, to your rubbish, to things that are not important, or things that are important, means a lot. To some people on YouTube, it took them maybe even a week to get 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, even 10,000 subscribers. But for me, it has been a long time coming. It's been over a year I've been on YouTube, and I'll tell you, it's been hard work. It's been hard work, but I'm still grateful. Do not compare yourself. That was why I did that little show at the beginning with the drink. Do not compare your life with people. Do not compare your journey, your success journey with people. Just the same way life is not equal, fingers are not equal. Our journey in life on YouTube, as a nurse, in her own life is not the same. For the fact that I'm in the UK before you does not mean I'll be more successful before you. Or for the fact that I'm married before you does not mean I'll be happier than you. So whatever works for you, works for you. This life is not a race, and YouTube is not a journey of race. It is just what we do, what we love doing, how we love helping people. So I'm really, really grateful to all your support. Thank you so much. I've asked you to please drop questions on my community page for you to drop your questions that you have, and I was going to answer them. I'm still going to answer your questions just now, and I have a giveaway. I've just written a few names. I'm not going to be writing it on the screen because it will take a lot of time. I've written names of people I think have been with me, even though I know I cannot cover everybody. I cannot mention everybody. I cannot write everybody's name. I've written 5 people I know have always commented on my videos. They are my subscribers. They've always supported me. They've always commented. I know some of you are silent follower. I get messages to say, Gloria, I follow you, but I don't comment. I know some of you are silent follower. It's your personal choice. But these are people I know that I always see their comments. It gets to a point you start like, no, I know this person. That name just talked to me. And I've written down their names. And I'm going to be giving you a cash prize. It's not too much, but it's something that will be tangible. I hope you're in the country where I'll be able to send this money to you. And I'm really grateful. Yes, 5,000. Here we come. Baby girl is coming to 5,000. Hey, wait, 2,000 subscribers. 2,000 subscribers. Do you know what that means? It means just fill the whole room or fill a hall with 2,000 people. That is how big, that is how large. Imagine that view. That is what it is. Even one subscriber. Each time I open my YouTube channel and I see one view, one subscriber, I'm like, thank you, God. I'm grateful for where you've brought me. I'm grateful for how far I've come. And I cannot do this without your support. I cannot do this without you. So thank you so much. You're not taken for granted. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching all those advertisements. And in case you don't know, I've received my first YouTube payment. Yes. So it's a lot to be thankful for. I know I've got the fake champagne here, but behind the scene, I've celebrated it for myself, and I want to give back to you, my subscriber, because without you, I will not be here. That is why I'm giving this money away. But before we get into the giveaway, let's just quickly answer the questions I got for this giveaway. I had to use my artificial light because natural light is just going off and on in case you see a difference in the video quality in the previous one. Now I'll just go straight to the questions and I'll be giving you quick answers. I said you should not ask me nothing questions, ask me personal questions. You guys try it this time around. Because what I would normally see is, how can I come to the UK? How can I be a nurse? How can I be this? But at least you've tried to ask me some personal questions. Cassandra said, I heard about UK Red listing some 47 countries, which are mainly Africans. Please, what is the future like for those of us in the pipeline? It is really disturbing me. I know it is really disturbing at this point. And at this point, as I speak to you, we don't really know what the future holds. I think it's because of the ongoing pandemic where travel restriction is going on. There's a lot of travel ban to some countries, but we don't really definitely know what is going to happen, because even some nurses are still coming in to the UK from other countries. Even somebody came from Ghana, from other African countries also. So right now we really don't know what the real picture is, but I think there's hope for the future. I think it's because of this pandemic. We just need to wait, because everything is not going as planned. It's not going as it used to go with this pandemic. So I cannot categorically tell you if things will get better or things will get worse at this moment. Another question from Juliana said, hi Gloria, great job you're doing. Hey, thank you. How old are you? How old am I? How old do you think I am? I'm in my 30s actually. I'm in my 30s, but I'm not going to tell you my exact age so that you will not know that your girl is still very young. You will not know. I'm a baby girl. I'm a baby girl. I'm a young person, but I'm in my 30s. Why did you leave Dubai for the UK? I made a video long time, about a year ago, about the reason why I left Dubai for the UK, but I can still make an exclusive video for you if you're really interested. One thing I would say is because of my children, because of the living environment, because of the circumstance in Dubai, is really not where I want my children to grow. It is not family friendly. the ways of life there is really different. The buildings, everything is just too artificial for me. It's too much is going on in that country, too much. And the future, that was why I left my country in the first place. So why would I want to go to another country where I'm not sure of the future for my children? If you had the opportunity, will you leave UK for the USA or Canada? No. Canada, possibly yes. But for the US, no. I don't think I want to go to the US. I've answered this in another video. I don't think I want to go to the US, but Canada, yes. Why do you choose Scotland over the other 3 countries in the UK? I chose Scotland when I was about to call my agent, which is MMA Recruitment, asked me, where do I want? At that point, I actually wanted Northern Ireland, but the company I came with don't have any branch in Northern Ireland. So the other option I had was England, Wales, Scotland. And I'm like, just give me the cheapest place, countryside, a village like where I can still have my and live my very quiet village kind of life. And they said Scotland was the option. Then they put me in a very rural area. And that is why I chose Scotland. I had no information. The only thing I knew back then was it is cold, it gets dark easily, it is very wet. Those are the only 3 things which are supposed to even discourage me. But I'm like, I'll just give it a try. As long as you're in the UK, if you don't like where you are, you can move at any point. So it wasn't a big problem for me. Chidima said, hi there, good morning. So what do you advise a nurse that have a fiancé to officially get married before coming to the UK and bring the husband over later, or to leave marriage, come and settle fully and go back home, get married and come back? Like the second option is, I don't know. And she wants the hubby to join her as soon as possible. What about doing court wedding and using the paper to apply for the visa? Court without bride price. Is that possible? Confusion. Please, what is the best advice here from your UK experience? And I responded to her because I don't know how urgent that question was, and I didn't know how quick I was going to be able to record this video. So I dropped a reply and I said, the only document you need to be legally recognized as married in the UK are official documents, which is either your court, your church. Traditional marriage is necessarily not going to be recognized except you're issued a document to say you're married. So even if it's just to get the court marriage done, 5-6 people get it done, even in the sitting room or in the court, there, do your thing and have the document to say you're married to this person. So when you're applying for your visa, you're able to include the person's name as a Mr. or Mrs. that you're married to this person. And then the process will be easier, especially if you're coming with them to the UK. If you want to leave marriage, it's still your own choice. I said I cannot actually advise you if you should get married or you shouldn't, because what if I say you should leave marriage and then you come to the UK and the partner says it's not doing again, So it is your own decision to decide if you want to get married before coming, but getting married before coming shouldn't be a problem because the only thing you need is your court certificate or your church certificate, which is easy, cheap, and not as expensive. But if you think you still want to come to the country, you can come, get married, then apply for them to join you as your partner. As long as you've shown your marriage certificate, you're going to be accepted as being married. Glory said, I love your hair. Thank you, Glory. Jacqueline said, how old is your baby girl, Gloria? She is 2 years. She was 2 years in March, and we did a birthday. I think I showed you a clip of that. So more about her said, where did you purchase your furniture and what was the price? So I cannot give you the actual price of how much I purchased my furniture because this place I am is owned by my previous landlord. So I was in their property before and that property was furnished. So when I was moving to this place, because of easier access, it's still the same landlord. They said I could go with all the furniture in that place, including utensil, cup, spoon, everything was furnished. So I moved everything from that apartment to this apartment. So I've hardly bought things. Even my dining table was free. I know I bought my TV stand. I don't know what you actually want me to talk about. It's going to be like telling you the price of everything I own, which is almost not possible. But my sofa was not new. I didn't buy my sofa new, which means it was cheaper. I've said if you want cheaper things, you can get it once you're in the UK. I'm leaving every expenses I'm going to be incurring. That will be main expenses until I have my own property where I can customize my house to my own taste. But as for now, I cannot give you the actual price of what all my furniture is worth because I don't know. And he said, what item do you use for your YouTube channel and how much did they cost you? Really? That's going to be a whole new video also, because where do you want me to start? From my camera to my stand to my lighting to my microphone is a lot of money. I've spent a lot of money on this channel that I have not even earned 1/10 of what I've spent. My camera, for example, is 599, which is almost 600 pounds. My microphone, my stand, so it's a lot of things to go into. I really don't want to go into that just now. I think I've covered all the questions. So now let's go to our giveaway. Yay! 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Yeah. So in here, I have names of people I've rolled out. So, there's one more. I'll just put them in this jar. And then we'll pick out a name. I hope. I don't know. I'm closing my eyes so you don't say I'm cheating. So 5 people. We are going to be doing giveaway to one person. This one. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Glory! Can you see? It's Glory. Our winner is Glory. I know I have few Glory on this channel, but the Glory I'm talking about is just Glory, no other name attached, is Glory. I know this person's name and I'm glad she got it. I'm so excited. Yes, because she's on all my comments. She's commenting every video. I think I see her on every video. Oh my God, I'm excited. Glory, congratulations. I know the Glory. I'm going to I'll try to get some of your comments and I will add it to this clip. I'll put them on here. So if that is you, please get in touch with me on my Instagram account. My Instagram account is just down somewhere below here. Please add me, chat me up and tell me, hello, it's me, Glory. I'm the one that won the giveaway prize. And I'll give you a number that you'll now come back to this video and just comment down below the number I've given to you. And then I will go back to my Instagram, chat with you, and I will tell you to give me your account number, your account name, and the bank name, please. And I'm going to be sending a few thousands. I don't know if you're in Nigeria, if you're in Ghana, I don't know. I'm not going to be sending you some money. I'm so happy you've won this because you're a true follower. I'm glad. And to every other person that is here, you're also my supporter and I wish you got it, but I'm glad Glory also got it. So Glory, please get in touch with me. I'm so excited for this. Yes, we can do this, guide road to 5,000. Let's see. It took me a year plus to get 2,000 subscribers. Let's see how long it will take me to get 5,000. Yes, thank you so much. I'm not looking at the number, but it's also motivates. It helps. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you for all your subscriptions. I love you so much. And keep those video requests coming, and I'll keep giving you all the goodies, the teas and everything. Please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe now. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye. Congratulations to Glory. Please get in touch with me. Bye. See you.